Hello, God bless you, brother. Hello, God bless you. I give away free Bibles to people who don't have one. Do you have one at home?
Yeah.
You do? What about kids? You got any kids?
Yes.
Do all your kids have one?
No.
How many kids do you have?
2.
Do they have? None of them have Bibles? Can I give you 2 for them? Okay, and then make sure you read this paper. It changed my whole life. It will change yours as well. You have an awesome day at work. Don't let anybody ruin it, okay?
Great.
Stay warm. You're welcome. Thanks.